Have you ever wondered how Earth, our home, came into existence? Our planet's story begins around 4.5 billion years ago in the aftermath of the Big Bang. At that time, Earth was nothing more than a hot, molten mass, swirling in the vastness of space. This fiery ball was a far cry from the hospitable world we now inhabit. Over millions of years, this molten mass began to cool down, slowly hardening into a solid crust. But the Earth as we know it was still far from complete. Water vapor trapped in the atmosphere eventually condensed and fell as rain, filling the depressions on the planet's surface. These became our oceans, the cradle of life, so the Earth was born not with a whimper but with a bang. A molten mass, cooling and hardening over eons and finally teeming with water and the potential for life. This violent beginning marked the start of Earth's incredible journey. Now picture a time when Earth was a barren land, devoid of life. Hard to imagine, isn't it? Yet that was our planet around 3.8 billion years ago. During this time, the first spark of life ignited in the form of single-celled organisms in the oceans. These were simple life forms, microscopic in size, but significant in the grand scheme of life's evolution. Slowly but surely, these single-celled organisms began to evolve, becoming more complex and diverse over time. They developed into what we now know as multicellular organisms, forms of life composed of more than one cell. This was a monumental leap in the evolution of life, marking the transition from simplicity to complexity. As these multicellular organisms continued to evolve, something remarkable happened. Some of them began to move from the water to the land, giving birth to the first land plants and animals. Over time, these early pioneers evolved into a myriad of different species, each adapted to survive in their specific environments. Among these evolving species, one group would come to dominate the Earth like no other: the dinosaurs. These magnificent creatures ruled the planet for over 160 million years, an era known as the Age of Dinosaurs. Their reign, however, ended abruptly due to one of the mass extinctions that have punctuated the history of life on Earth. Mass extinctions are catastrophic events that wipe out a significant portion of life on the planet. They're a stark reminder of the fragility of life, but also a testament to its resilience. Despite these devastating events, life has always found a way to bounce back, evolve, and diversify. Over billions of years, life on Earth has evolved and diversified, leading to the rich biodiversity we see today. From the humble beginnings of single-celled organisms in the ancient oceans to the staggering variety of species that inhabit the Earth today, the evolution of life is a testament to the incredible power of nature and the enduring resilience of life itself. Imagine a world without humans. Impossible, right? But there was a time when Earth was devoid of our species. As Homo sapiens, we emerged only around 200,000 years ago. Our early ancestors discovered fire, a significant milestone that marked the beginning of humanity's influence on Earth. Fire allowed us to cook our food, keep predators at bay, and survive in cold climates. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, a period that dramatically amplified our footprint. We began to mold the Earth's landscape, extracting resources and constructing vast cities. The smoke from our factories altered the very air we breathe, setting in motion a change in the Earth's climate. In the present digital age, our impact accelerates even further. Our insatiable hunger for technology and convenience continues to strain Earth's resources. From the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, there's hardly a place untouched by human activity. In a short span of time, humans have left an indelible mark on Earth. But what does the future hold for our home planet? As we look ahead, there are various paths that Earth could take. One potential future is marked by climate change, a world where warmer temperatures and rising sea levels reshape our landscapes and ecosystems. Alternatively, we could face natural disasters of unprecedented scale, from volcanic eruptions to earthquakes impacting our lives in unexpected ways. But it's not all doom and gloom. On the brighter side, there's also the thrilling prospect of life beyond Earth. Imagine just for a moment the discovery of extraterrestrial life or the colonization of other planets. It's a tantalizing thought that could redefine our understanding of existence itself. Yet the most important future scenario is the one we can actively shape. Our choices, our actions, they hold the power to determine what lies ahead. We can choose to protect our environment, to invest in sustainable practices, and to explore beyond our known horizons. The future of Earth depends on the choices we make today. So, what have we learned about Earth? We've journeyed from its fiery formation to the blossoming of life, witnessed the profound impact of humanity's footprint, and looked ahead to an uncertain future. We've seen how Earth's story is a complex tapestry interwoven with elements of creation, evolution, impact, and potential. It's a narrative that's still being written, with each of us holding the pen. Our home, Earth, has a rich history and an uncertain future, and it's in our hands to shape its destiny.